But it's not all bad news out there. High pressure is also going to mean a lot of sunshine for our Tuesday afternoon as well. So even though we will be just a few degrees cooler for daytime high temperatures tomorrow, it does look like it's still going to be a very nice day. Most of us looking at around 2 to 4 inches of total snow accumulation. Now that's going to be very dense snow. Also, what's going to help us is our soil temperatures. Most of us in the 40s and 50s for soil temperatures, so it's going to melt quickly throughout the day on Sunday. Statewide, we're looking pretty dry out there right now, expecting us to stay dry for about the next 24 hours. And that's because we have a nice high pressure system just off to our north. But by the time we get to tomorrow morning, that high pressure system is going to be off to our east, and that's going to bring in some nice southerly winds for tomorrow afternoon. That's going to mean some pretty clear skies through the first half of our Tuesday and some much warmer temperatures for daytime highs tomorrow as well. We do have a cold front moving through tonight, and that's why you're seeing all this cloud cover starting to build in behind me. As you can see, we're looking northwest right now, and it's getting very cloudy. We're already seeing some spotty rain showers out there on radar and satellite as well. I'm going to just keep showing the sky cam every night during the 10 o'clock show for as long as I can because it's gorgeous outside. We're looking west from South Hill here in Minot at what's left of our sunset tonight. 29 degrees below zero for our overnight low temperature through the early morning hours of tomorrow. And guys, the last time we got colder than this was over 10 years ago. On January 15th, 2009, we got to 32 degrees below zero for our actual air temperature. And I don't know if you could hear that sound, but that was definitely just ice falling on our roof. So lots of melting out there right now. It's actually pretty loud. I don't know if you can hear that. Here's a look at what this system is bringing to the Central Plains, though. You can see everything from tornado warnings all the way across Kansas and Missouri. Flood warnings. This is a freeze watch. Yeah, this system is really expansive. Here's a look at it on current satellite and radar imagery. We're still seeing very dry conditions, though, and for that reason, we are all under a fire weather warning or a red flag warning, and that's not set to expire until 8 p.m. tonight, and that's when I'm expecting those winds to start to come down as well. 40s and 50s below zero, mid 50s even out east towards Candu, and guys, that means frostbite can set in within just a few minutes. So very dangerously cold temperatures out there. We're still seeing temperatures in the 40s, though, under mostly cloudy sky conditions. Just got some nice altocumulus, altostratus clouds sticking around out there. We're at about 8,000 feet. It's a pretty gorgeous night. We do have some smoke being infected into our area from fires burning in northern Alberta, and you can actually see that on enhanced infrared satellite imagery. Taking a closer look here, you can see those fires burning. We do have high pressure off to our southwest, so that is just bringing that smoke from those wildfires directly into our area. During the warmest part of the day, we are looking at our first risk for severe thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. That's going to mean a chance for not only heavy rain, but also half-dollar sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts as well. Welcome back, everyone. East central portions of the state are still under a severe thunderstorm watch, technically until 10 p.m. this evening. But fortunately for most of us across the KMOT viewing area, that threat for severe weather has passed. You can see this line of thunderstorms making its way out of our area quickly, heading out towards the Devil's Lake area. If you are tuning in from Benson County or Ramsey County, though, some of these cells are producing quite a bit of rainfall. I definitely think localized flooding would be possible. We're also seeing some small hail being reported out of these storms as well. It does look like a few of these storms are producing at least dime to nickel sized hail, but as you can see here, this is estimated hail size, and those storms are weakening pretty quickly over the last 20 minutes or so. So I do think for the most part our area is pretty safe. We do have a lot of moisture still being pumped into the region, so the eastern half of the state could definitely continue to see severe weather over the next several hours. But dry air quickly moving in for most of our area behind this frontal system, and we're already seeing blue skies here in the Magic City. Here's a looking south from the station here in Minot on South Hill, and we are already seeing lots of blue skies and already seeing some cooler temperatures as well. Again, most of us made it up into the low 80s this afternoon. That's about 20 degrees above average for this time of year, but we're already cooling down back into the 70s. Those winds are continuing to be pretty strong out there across our area, shifting to more and more northerly over the last couple of hours since that front passed through. Most of us are still seeing wind gusts upwards of 20, even 30 miles per hour the further south you go. 33-mile-per-hour wind gusts out of Harvey, 36 down in Garrison. I'm expecting breezy winds to stick around through the rest of tonight and into tomorrow morning as well. But overall, looking at a much calmer weather pattern setting in for the next couple of days. We do have high pressure building in from our northwest. This is 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. We'll start to see those northerly and northeasterly winds moving through tomorrow. And it does look like some of us, especially south and west of Highway 52, could see some very light rain shower activity through tomorrow morning. But that threat for rain is going to move out pretty pretty quickly by the time we get to our lunch hour tomorrow. What you're looking at here is noon on our Thursday afternoon, and we're going to see some really clear skies and decreasing cloud cover throughout the evening on our Thursday, and some cooler temperatures for Thursday night heading into Friday. Daytime high temperatures tomorrow, though, about 20 degrees cooler than where we were today, but actually pretty close to normal for this time of year. 61 degrees is going to do it for a daytime high in Granville and in Minot. 59 down in Garrison, though. 58 in Bottineau. Generally, we'll see more and more sunshine the further north and east you go tomorrow afternoon, and that threat for rain showers early tomorrow morning. And lunchtime tomorrow is going to stay down to the southwest, down towards Garrison, Stanley, and the Lake Sakakawea area. But we're all going to be looking at very breezy wind conditions to start out our Thursday. This is 1 a.m. this morning, so 1 a.m. tonight, early tomorrow morning, if that makes sense. Northerly winds sustained around 20 miles per hour across the entire area, but it does look like winds are going to improve gradually throughout the day tomorrow. Most of us looking at sustained winds closer to 10 miles per hour by the time we get to 3 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. So overall, not a horrible day to get out and enjoy a run. It is going to be a bit chilly and very windy out there first thing tomorrow, but still looking pretty mild as we head into the evening hours tomorrow afternoon. Here's a look at the next couple of days. Even cooler temperatures as we head into Friday with more breezy winds and another chance for rain. And yeah, it's looking downright chilly as we head into this weekend. Pretty dreary and rainy, very cool on Saturday, and we're going to keep daytime highs below average throughout our extended forecast. Over to you guys.